Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We are unboxing one of the most affordable beauty boxes out there. This is none other than the Walmart Beauty Box, you guys. So I have with me today the Summer 2024 box, and it is only $6.98 a quarter to receive this box of goodies. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video today to watch. I would love it if you want to hit that subscribe button down below. We do lots of unboxings over here on my channel, and today we are specifically looking at the Summer 2024 Walmart Beauty Box. Now this box does have quite a few variations to it. So if you decide to order it, it could vary from box to box. We may get similar items, but then again, we may get completely different items. But the price will remain the same. So it's $6.98 a quarter, and then there's free shipping on that as well, which is just, at this point, I don't even know how Walmart makes anything off of this box. I'm sure they have thousands of subscribers to it. But at that price point, I'm like, how do you even afford shipping? Because shipping is expensive these days. So I don't really know how it works out for them, but I know that when I receive this box, I get lots of goodies every quarter. So this is my box and my variation number. So as you can see, this is our beauty box. It's the Summer 2024 box. I have variation number 2, and that is what we're opening up today. If you would like to purchase this beauty box, I will post a link down below for you in my video description box. You will receive a booklet every single quarter, and it will talk to you a little bit more about the products that are going to be in the box. This will give you an example of the items that you could receive. You will not receive everything that it shows you, and then again, you may even get items that aren't listed on here either. So it's just a few items that they are spotlighting that were available for this season. So the theme is Hello Sunshine. Our collection of warm weather beauty keeps your skin, body, and hair pampered, so you're ready for sunshine season and beyond. And you'll notice, like I said, these are some of the products featured, but then down below, there's always room for other products that may not be listed here that could be in your beauty box. So this is what it looks like. I'm shocked. You guys, this looks like a full-on beauty box. I mean, it looks like my other beauty boxes that I get on a regular basis, like my monthly boxes. This is promising. I mean, sometimes with Walmart, we get a lot of samples or foil packets or things, but these are full-on products. Okay, I'm getting very excited. You can tell because my voice is getting really high-pitched up there, but seriously, I'm shocked and I'm like, oh my gosh. So first item that I love, I've tried, I recommend this, you guys. It is amazing. This is from Mega Babe, and it is the Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick. This is a godsend, and I used this in Florida when we went to Walt Disney World a couple of months ago. So I know it works, you guys, because it was the only thing that got me through those really hot, humid days. So this is something that is a clear stick, and it works just like a deodorant. You just twist it up from the bottom. You're gonna rub this wherever you have friction. So for me, it is definitely my thighs. And so on my inner thighs, I would rub a little bit of this on, and then it will allow there to be less friction, and it's going to glide nice and easy when you are walking, but it's not going to trap sweat. It's not gonna trap heat in there. So it prevents chafing and those red bumps or the irritation that you can get. This will help prevent all of that. So that way you're not uncomfortable. You don't have this burning pain or a rash that looks bad and then it's just annoying to have for the whole day. This will prevent all of it, and it's just super comfortable. But like I said, you can put this anywhere. I know some people have used it for their arms or other places that will give them friction or irritation. This can go in any of those spots. And it's a clear balm, so you don't even know that it's there, and it does not discolor your clothes either. So you can put this on and nobody knows the difference. Honestly, it'd be kind of weird if people were looking right there at your thighs anyways, but you know what I mean? It's not gonna stand out. Next item in my box is Heritage. Oh, Heritage, get it? It's not your normal Heritage, it's the Heritage. I love things that are clever like that. So this is a brand by Mindy McKnight. It's called Out of My Hair, and it is their daily shampoo. This is vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, gluten-free, mineral oil-free, and color-safe. It's free of all the nasties. This is just a travel size version, but it's 2 ounces of product. So you have plenty of product here to try this shampoo out, and you'll know if you like this one or not. And if you do love it, you can rebuy it again at the Walmart beauty department. This one retails for $8.94 for their full-size version, which is 13 ounces. But I appreciate that they gave us a clean beauty product, and it says that it will also give hydration back to your hair while cleansing. Now, the interesting thing about this is in the booklet, it shows a duo. It says shampoo and conditioner here for it. In my box, I only have the shampoo. They did not ship the conditioner. So I don't know if that was an oversight, if I was supposed to get the conditioner or not, but this is all that I have. Next up, I have a self-tanning foam from Bondi Sands. This is their dark tanning mousse. Now, I have used this product in the past, and I will tell you guys, it does get dark. So do a light amount. It is a nice foam, so it's easy to apply, and I don't feel like this product streaks, which is also wonderful, but I do recommend you use like a mitt or a pad of some sort, because it will stain your hands and you'll notice that right away. And especially if you keep using multiple pumps to cover like your legs, your hands are just gonna keep getting darker as you're putting that on. So definitely use like a tanning mitt and then you can rub it in with that. But it is a cruelty-free brand. I feel like it works really well. Like I said, I love the foam because it's not streaky. This one is 40 mil. The full-size version is 5 ounces, but this is only 1.5 ounces. $15.98 is what it would cost at Walmart if you were going to go buy the full-size version. This, you could honestly do several treatments for your legs with this. So there's enough here to try it once again and see if you like it or not. I mean, already for $6.98 a quarter, I'm already thrilled with those 3 items because they're items that I'm experienced with that I really like, but additionally, it's enough product there for you to try out. I mean, there's more product there than the Ipsy Glam Bag sends us every month, and that's $15 a month. We also have a product from the shop, and this is their face wash. This is a travel size daily cleanser. We have 1 ounce here of product. This one is $9.97 at Walmart for the 4 ounce version. So this is going to be a daily exfoliating cleanser. So not only will it cleanse, but it's also going to exfoliate your skin and remove like dead skin cells or dry skin. And it's also going to give you smoother texture after using this product. Now, I don't know this brand. I've never tried it before. So I don't have a review for you guys on this, if it's good or not. I can tell you that glycerin is the 3rd item on the ingredient list, which is a really good ingredient. So I love how high that is. However, they have added fragrance to this cleanser. So fragrance, sometimes it's not a big deal for people. Sometimes it is for some. I'm just pointing it out because that way you'll know if you want it or not. But they did add that 1 ingredient to this cleanser. Next up, I do have a product from CeraVe. This is their daily moisturizing lotion. I kid you not, I think I get CeraVe in every single box. Now, this brand for a while was sponsoring the beauty boxes, so it made sense we were getting their products thrown in. But now I think they just have a ton of these left over, so they're just putting them in every box all the time. I don't know. That's my own speculation, but I get it a lot. So this is their moisturizing lotion. It's for normal to dry skin. It is just a sample size, but I feel like there's plenty in here for you to use. You get multiple tries at using this product. So it's 1 ounce or 30 mil. It is a lightweight formula. This one is not listed in my booklet. So this is one that they don't have as a featured product. And that's why I say I kind of think they just have a ton of these lying around, so you keep getting multiples. Last item inside of our box today is a featured sponsor for the Walmart Beauty Box this summer. This is coming from L'Oreal, and they are promoting their new product, which is the Revita Lift Hyaluronic Plumping Serum. So we have here a sample version of this. This one is a triple power moisturizer. So it's going to give you lots of hydration, but it's also going to plump your skin and reduce the look of lines. This product retails for $26 for their full-size version, which is 1 ounce. We have here today 0.14 ounces or 4 ml of product. So like I said, it's just going to be a sample bottle, but you can try this out and see what you think of it. And then it is available in the Walmart beauty department if you would like to buy this product later. So that is everything inside of the Walmart beauty box for summer. I mean, you guys, this is incredible. There's a word I don't use very often. You know how sometimes you just say a word and then you're like, wow, that felt weird coming off the tongue? That's a word I don't say very often, but it is. So we received a total of 6 items inside of this box today, you guys, which I think is insane considering it's only $7 for the box. Like, that is such an incredible value, but also there is so much product here for us to try out. I mean, I kid you not, most of the time when I get sample mystery boxes, we are getting 4 ml of product. It is small amounts that we receive. Walmart is so generous in giving us ounces. Like, we're getting full ounces of products to try. So on all accounts, this box is 100% worth it. I definitely recommend it as a reviewer. I loved it. My box is great for summer. I love that we have the thigh rub in there. That way we can keep sweat and humidity away this summer and still wear shorts and be comfortable. I also love that we have the tanning mousse, which is again perfect for summer. But I'm also excited to try out the cleanser, the shampoo. Haven't used those before. So it's a great box for summer, but also a great value to try new beauty products out. So if you are interested in trying out this box, don't forget I have a link listed down below for you, and that way you can get your very own beauty box from Walmart. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye!